So why did the insurance claim adjuster cross the road? To deny your claim. I'm just kidding. Horrible joke. It's Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. Today's video, 5 reasons why your homeowner's insurance claim got denied. No, it wasn't because the claim adjuster walked across the street, but hey, it's almost like that nowadays. So let's go through real quick 5 reasons why. All right, let's start with number 1. You said the wrong thing. Mike, what do you mean? A lot of times you call in a claim, and I'll give you one example. It's very common for the two most common types of claims in Florida, which are water damage and roof damage claims. Those two are specialized in. Those two I handle more than any other type of claim. So I'll give you an example of both. For the roof claim that was denied, people will say, when you call in the claim, the person who is taking all your information will ask you, what happened? Well, it rained really bad and now I have roof leaks. Well, that isn't covered. Remember, for roof claims, there's really only 2 scenarios. Let's take out fire. Wind damage, or I should say a windstorm, tornado, tropical storm, hurricane, and hail. Short of those 2 things, there's really not other coverage. Now they'll say wind-driven rain isn't covered, but if your roof is damaged, I can almost guarantee I can find some damage caused by the wind. I'm not worried about that. Let's take a look at, talking about saying the wrong things with water damage. You report a leak. They ask you, how long has that leak been there? You know, I don't know, but I guess it's been a while because I never noticed, but there's all kinds of mold behind there. That's the wrong thing. Some insurance policies have a 14-day water damage if they can, and it goes with mold too. So those two kind of, they're partnering up, if you will. Peanut butter and jelly, water and mold. Sometimes mold has the same type of language. If they can show one thing, a couple different words that describe the one thing, long term. So if it was gradual, over time, been there for a while, your claim will get denied. So you don't want to use those words. What you want to say, it recently happened, it suddenly happened, it abruptly happened. Any type of water damage claim, remember those 3 words. Recently, suddenly, abruptly. That's what we want to see. All right? The second way, you reported the claim too late. This happens quite a bit. Weeks, months go by, and you don't report the claim because you don't think it's big enough, and then you realize there's more damage. And the insurance company says, you harmlessly say, in October, that's when it happened. And now it's March. They may not cover it. Depends on your policy. Your policy language is going to say that you need to report this claim as soon as possible, basically. So that's another condition I see denied. Number 3, no coverage. It's not a covered peril. If you remember the roof example, so I said you call in, you have rain, a heavy rain caused the leak inside your home, and now your roof or your ceiling is stained. Maybe your walls have some damage, floors, whatever the case may be. Remember, rain is not a covered peril. Peril means loss, basically. So it's not a covered loss. You have to let it be from the wind, some type of wind event. Okay? So, and there's other types of claims to where there would be no coverage because it's not a covered peril. Number 4, okay? The inspection will show wind damage to the roof. The inspection shows no wind damage to the roof. All right. Also, what may happen, and that's when the adjuster gets on the roof. Also, what happened? Cast iron pipes. They may say there's no cracks in the cast iron pipe, so that's denied. So you look at these 2 scenarios. Just an example of how that type of claim can be denied. All right. And the last one. So this is more condo related. So a lot of times, and even homeowners. So it could be an excluded condition in the policy. All right, so you got to look at all the excluded conditions. It could be nuclear, it could be from war, it could be from certain long-term event. There's different exclusions that contain within the policy that are pretty common, but you have to take a look at that. All right. In condos, it may get denied because of the simple fact that if you only have damage to walls and the ceiling, your condo association may be responsible for that. So your insurance company may ask for the bylaws, and then it may contain the bylaws that your condo association is responsible for the ceiling and walls. So therefore, and the same goes with townhomes, therefore the association would have to cover that and your insurance company would deny it. So those are just 5 most common, I would say, reasons why your homeowner's claim was denied. Don't be discouraged. You at least always want to call somebody and double check. If you want to double check if something's been denied, give me a call, Mike with the Claim Squad's Public Adjusters, 754-252-5438. Call or text me, email me, theclaimsquad@gmail.com. Don't forget to visit the site, www.theclaimsquad.com. Thanks for watching this video.